Today I'm going to take you through my full experience using Bank of Sharjah, one of the more understated but important banks in the UAE's financial ecosystem. From the moment you land on their homepage, the interface feels dated. It's not the slick, modern dashboard you'd expect in 2025, especially when compared to competitors like Emirates NBD or ADCB. Navigation is not very intuitive, and it takes a few clicks to get to essential features like account summaries or transfer options. When it comes to opening an account, the process is fairly standard, but the website lacks real-time chat support, which is disappointing. Documentation requirements are clearly stated, but uploading documents through the platform felt clunky, with some form errors that don't explain the problem, forcing a trip to the branch. Their mobile app, on the other hand, is a bit more polished than the website. Still, it lacks some functionalities that have become standard elsewhere, like customizable dashboard widgets or biometric login consistency. Transactions go through reliably, but you don't get instant SMS confirmations for every action, which could be a concern for security-conscious users. The bank's customer service is a mixed bag. Phone support is available but not 24/7, and email responses take over 48 hours in many cases. The staff at the physical branch were professional and helpful though, and in-person visits were smooth despite some waiting time. Many useful links you can find in the description. One thing I do appreciate is their focus on corporate banking solutions. If you're a business owner, Bank of Sharjah does offer a solid lineup of business account types and financing options. However, their retail banking side feels neglected. For example, the lack of integration with lifestyle features, like rewards, offers, or third-party services, is very noticeable. Fees are relatively transparent, which is good, but they're not the lowest on the market. Some account types have a minimum balance requirement that might not suit casual users or those new to the UAE. ATM access is decent across the UAE, but if you're outside of Sharjah frequently, you may notice limited branded ATM options. Security features are up to standard, with two-factor authentication and transaction verification, but the user interface during these steps could be clearer. Language support on the platform is only in Arabic and English, so expats who are not fluent in either may find it difficult to navigate. Their international transfer system is functional but slower than you'd expect. Transfers can take up to 3 working days to reach some destinations, and fees for outgoing international transactions are on the higher side. Overall, Bank of Sharjah is a bank with strong potential, especially for users focused on regional business services. But for personal users expecting a seamless, modern digital experience, it may feel underwhelming. There's room for improvement in online usability, customer support responsiveness, and user-centered innovation. If this review helped you or gave you some clarity, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more honest banking reviews and user experiences from the UAE.